minus $8,612. This is our trading result from the last trading week. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Mike Schultz, and in this video I am going to show you how we traded commodities and futures last week based on COT Report. Let's start with our first strategy, COT1 strategy. We started in the last trading week with 2 positions in our portfolio. We were 2 contracts short in copper and 1 contract short in soybeans. We ended up the week with only 1 position in our portfolio, 2 contracts short in copper. During the week, we made 1 trade in Australian dollar. Let's have a look at all trades we made last trading week. First of all, we start with commodity index. We wait until rate of change has a value of minus 30. As you can see in the past, it was a good sign for bottom in commodities market. The current value of this indicator is minus 28. We have enough space for lower commodities prices. This is our watch list we started with in the last trading week. On the buy side or market, we were looking for long trades were Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, cotton, and the market we were looked for short trades were bonds, Dow Jones E-mini, platinum, copper, and coffee. Let's start with soybeans. If you watch our videos on a regular basis, you know already this market because we have this market long time on the watch list and we were long time in the market with our short trade. So as you can see, last week we got a buy signal. So on this slide you see the last weekly bar. So as you can see, the price took out the low of previous weekly bar and high of previous weekly bar. We were in this market with 1 long contract and this position was stopped out. We made a loss of $362. Overall, with this trade we made a profit of $1,038 because it was a part of position we closed before with a profit of $1,400. As you can see, downward trend continues. In our trading plans, what we post for our members weekly, we will show how we want to play this market next week. Next market, copper. We got in copper a sell signal on weekly chart based on COT data analysis. On the daily chart, we waited until trend change and then we decided to open a short position. As you can see, we are still in the market. The price is not so far from our price target. Our stop is in the market. So we expected that the price will hit our price target next week. Next market, Australian dollar. So we got here a buy signal. On this chart, you can see where is the next resistance. So we have enough enough space to the next resistance. So we decided to open a long position after we got a trend change on the daily chart. As you can see, after we were triggered, the market turned to the downside and we were stopped out on Friday with a loss of $8,250. Let's have a look at markets from the watch list where we didn't do any trades. First market, Canadian dollar. So we expected there a correction occurs, but we didn't get an entry pattern. So next market, Japanese yen. You can see here the green line in the market. This was a price we were focused on. Our plan was if the price go over this green line, so we would like to search for long trades, but the price didn't. Next market, cotton. So in cotton, we placed our orders in cotton after we got our entry patterns, but we wasn't triggered. So the price declined under 80 moving average. The bullish setup is still active. How we want to play this market, we will explain in our trading plans. Dow Jones E-mini, we expected there a correction. And as you can see, the correction was in the market, but we didn't open a short trade, and the reason was other indices. As you can see, Nasdaq 100 was very strong, and S&P 500 was a sideways market, so it means we didn't have a confirmation of weakness from other indices, and therefore we decided not to do the short trade in Dow Jones E-mini. Next market, bonds. As you can see, bonds went sideways, and therefore we didn't open here any trades. Platinum, the market were in correction. We got a high lower than previous high, and so we got a trend change on daily chart. So now we can start with short trades. How we want to trade this market, we will show in our trading plan. Coffee. So in coffee, as you can see, the market went sideways, and therefore we didn't do any trades in this market. Startup account. This is a small account. Account size is $30,000. We tried this account to show our members with small accounts how we trade accounts. We trade a small account and how we manage a risk, and how we select the market. In this account, we didn't do any trades because we didn't get trades with a small risk size. So, and therefore the profit is zero. COT2 strategy. So we trade several strategies based on COT data. This strategy is more aggressive. This strategy is focused on short-term trading results. Based on this strategy, we started in the last trading week with an empty portfolio, and we ended up the trading week with an empty portfolio. We didn't do any trades based on this strategy because the market was overall in a correction, so in terms of our watch list, and therefore we didn't get enough trading opportunities to make trades based on COT2 strategy. The profit is zero. And the last, weather trading strategy, we don't have any changes based on this trading strategy. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to get access to our trading plans and you want to know in front which market we want to trade, so you want to become a member, under the video in the description you will find all further information. Thank you very much for your time. Please remember, risk and money management is the key to success in trading. You're Max Schultz. See you next week.